Namaste students, Khush raho betiya. I am Dr. Y. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the study of anatomy of the old root. Okay, so here the section of shows the cockambium or cortex, primary and secondary vascular tissue, and a small pith. Cock forms the outermost several layers or the developing into a pericycle, and hence primary cortex and is completely peeled off. The stone cells occurs in many grouped scattered just below the zone of the cock. Okay. So here in the screen you can see this cock is circular, and here the secondary cortex is present. Resin canals are you can see the resin canals. Followed by the primary phloem and secondary xylem, primary xylem, and protoxylem, and essentially the resin cells. This is the transverse section of the old root where you can see the outer cellular distribution of the cells like cortex, then cambium, then followed by the cortex, then stone cells are present in between. These dark colors are the stone cells, which having in between the resin canals are also present. Okay, so here the phloem, primary phloem is present, followed by a secondary phloem, cambium, and a medullary ray in the center having a resin canal and a central pith. Okay, so the secondary cortex followed by the cock, it is the parenchymatous and a few layer deep. Okay, so many resin canals are also found in the secondary cortex, and the primary phloem having a two patch of the tissue followed by a crush of obligations. So secondary phloem and secondary xylems are present, which composed of fractures arranged in a regular rows. So the pith is in the same small and parenchymatous, and two group of the primary xylem are situated on the opposite radii. So each primary xylem grouped in Y-shaped. And resin canal, the characteristic of the pine roots are present in the large resin canals between the divided arm shape, Y-shaped, enclosed in each of the primary xylem. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.